I'm here with my 2016 Ford F150 XL Edition with the FX4 package. I don't know if it's going to matter on these LED lights, whether your fancier trim level will have LEDs already or how they come. I'm not quite sure on the F150. I know the headlights are different, but for this, it's like normal bulbs, and LASFIT was nice enough to hook me up with license plate lights, LEDs, and reverse lighting for LEDs. So we're going to go ahead and install these and see how they are and how they work. And I will have information to the product in the description down below, so please check that out. So you're going to want to take an 8mm socket and undo the tail light. Of course it helps if you go reverse. After you remove the two 8mm screws, you're just gonna pull this out gently. There's a couple tabs it pushes into, so it's gonna give a little resistance. Brake light on top, and then you got your backup light on the bottom. So once you have the tail light out assembly, you're gonna have this guy, might have this piece of tape from the factory, I guess, that's falling off. Guess we'll discard that. You're gonna, I believe, push and just kind of wiggle it. Kind of blow the dirt off, probably want to wipe that dirt off too. Then you're gonna twist it, which would be counterclockwise, and you pull it out, and there you go. There's the bulb. Then you take your LASFIT bulb. This part number is L-3157. See how it is. Make sure it's not hot. Just pull it straight out. And honestly, I could have probably left this together and just twisted, but to be on the safe side, you take this one. Looks same either way that I insert it. And you stick it in just like that. This only goes in one way. With that bump to the latch, and then it snaps together. Wipe off dirt around. Find the right holes. And just to show that, there's a bigger tab. It's on the bottom. So just line that one up and twist. And now it matches that one. And then all you do is reverse it and just show you a different angle. There's a tab there, pushes into there, pushes into there. They're just plastic. And bring you around over here so you can see the tabs up there. And you just want to line that up and give it a push. A little bit difficult, but you just line them up. When you push the taillight assembly back in, that hole and that hole will line up there. There's a tab up here. That's also what you're watching for with the two on the side. Just kind of hand start your screws there. And don't overdo it. Get an 8mm, by hand wrench and tighten that up. Okay, that side's done. Now do the same for the other side. This is going to be a little harder to film because I have to go up under. Basically, all you do is go up under there and you just twist it like the other one. You don't have to pop these out or anything. you're just twisting it. I don't know if I can't really show that on camera just due to the bumper. It's dark under there. I'll show you where it's located. So right there, license plate, you can see hitches there off to the side. You got the wiring. All you do is twist it counterclockwise, pull it out, and there's the bulb. And you can bring it down just below so you can see it. It takes 2 hands, but it's just that type, it's flat. Then you'll take your LASFIT LED lighting, and it's part number L-T10 white. It looks like this. Looks like that when compared, you know, when compared to the other one. The LED is slightly bigger, but basically the same, it's close. There it is installed. You just push firmly, but still be careful. So that's what it looks like. And then I get it back up in there, reach my arm around the hitch, avoid getting dirt in my eyes. Go up in the slot and try, it's dark up in there, to figure out which way. So you get it in the hole, and then you just turn clockwise, and it locks into place. That's it. To show you how much brighter that LASFIT LED is, look at that. That's pretty bright. Now I'm just going to turn the camera and see how yellow. Back here, look at that. That is much brighter. So imagine 2 of those shining back there. That is going to be pretty dang bright. That's off. There we go. Wow, that is bright, guys. I'll get that other one installed. Let's take a look with both. Okay, let's show now with both installed. Oh my God, that is so bright, guys. Yeah, hopefully that doesn't get me pulled over at night, but that is pretty bright. It's amazing the difference in the bulbs, how much brighter an LED is over your traditional incandescent light. It is amazing that. And this also is going to probably draw less electricity too, so easier for your charging system. And just the license plate light, you know, little bulb, and it's so much brighter. It's amazing. So I'll be testing these. I'll bring you more reviews. Probably show them at night how bright they are when it's pitch dark out. Unfortunately, I need light to install them though. So the problem was installing them with light, but yet trying to show you. So hopefully the little license plate guy showed you. I'll quickly do the reverse light, and we'll just see how much brighter that is. Hopefully you guys like this video, how to change your reverse light, how to change your license plate light. And as you can see, it's still on back here. It's pretty bright. The LASFIT LED lighting, check the description, follow the link, and there'll be a code there. And you know, it'll help out the channel. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And hopefully this helped you out. And I'll give you a longer review of how this works. Thanks guys. Have a good one.